Welcome to Hook and Loops. I'm EJ Hart, and today I'm going to show you how I crochet the multiple mosaic crochet pattern. I used a 5.50 millimeter crochet hook, crafter secret yarn, and 2 contrasting colors, pair of scissors. Stitch markers would be helpful for the first and last single crochet stitch, and all links are down in the description box. I'm using 3 different patterns for this blanket, and the links for those patterns will be in the description box below the video. Some notes are at the beginning of every row, make a slip knot with a long tail and cast onto the first single crochet stitch, 1 single crochet back loop only, and every single crochet will be worked in the back loop only. At the end of every row, chain 1 and cut off yarn leaving a long tail. And I demonstrate this in all of the videos in the very first one. So to begin, you chain 7 plus multiples of 20 until desired length. And then row 1 is cast onto second chain with a single crochet. 1 single crochet in each chain except last chain. Chain 1 and cut off a long tail. Rows 2 through 4 is 1 single crochet back loop only in each single crochet stitch. Chain 1 and cut yarn. And I demonstrate this in the videos as well in the beginning. And then next is the mosaic triangles pattern starting at row 3 and ending at row 21. And I'll post this link in the description below. So all you have to do is click on it and it'll take you right there to all of the videos. And then the next 4 rows is 1 single crochet back loop only in each single crochet stitch, chain 1 and cut yarn. And I do this between each pattern to separate them. Next is the Navajo Indian diamond pattern, starting with row 3 and finishing at row 23. Again, the link is going to be posted in the description. And then the next 4 rows is 1 single crochet back loop only in each single crochet stitch, chain 1 and cut yarn. And now the triangles mosaic crochet pattern again, row 3 through 21. I also have a written pattern for each of these. That link will be in the description as well. And the next 4 rows are 1 single crochet back loop only in each single crochet stitch, chain 1 and cut yarn. And the next pattern I put on is a mosaic crochet pattern starting with row 3 and finishing with row 21. And then the next 4 rows is 1 single crochet back loop only in each single crochet stitch, chain 1 and cut yarn. And then I put in the triangles mosaic crochet pattern again, rows 3 through 21. I finished off with 4 rows of 1 single crochet back loop only in every single crochet stitch, chain 1 and cut yarn. And if you want to make your blanket bigger, you can keep repeating the alternating patterns. Consider subscribing to Hook and Loops. Just click the button and click subscribe. And thank you for watching.